All right, Ron. Well, for over a decade, UT Health Science Center's College of Dentistry has helped give Memphis middle and high school students access to free dental care. And joining us today to talk about Give Kids a Smile is Cassandra Christensen, the Director of School-Based Programs and Community Outreach for the College of Dentistry. Welcome. So glad to have you with us.
So glad to be here. Thank you.
Well, first of all, this has been a long-standing program offered by UT students. Why do you feel the need to participate with this?
Well, it's a national program sponsored by the American Dental Association. It started in 2003. So we as the College of Dentistry participate in this nationwide campaign. But we live in a city where we have lots of citizens who don't have access to dental care.
Right.
So it's a great service to the children that we serve.
Definitely. And for the third year, students at Freedom Prep will participate. And this year, for the first time, students at Soulsville Charter. Tell us why those two schools.
So there's a couple of things. One is just simple logistics. Soulsville is very close, and it fits the zip code demographic for the population of children or kids, students that we're trying to serve.
Right.
Freedom Prep, we've had a long-term partnership with Freedom Prep, but the very same reasons, that it fits a demographic, and we're trying to make sure that students who might not otherwise have access to care, that at least once a year we bring them to campus and offer free dental services.
Right. And what kind of services do you offer?
So prior to bringing them to campus, we go to those schools and perform dental screening. So we have an idea if there's obvious decay or pathology, and for those students, if they need a root canal, if they need fillings, any kind of operative services, we try to take care of those, especially if there's something that's causing them discomfort.
Right.
So the other students get regular examinations. They get what we call dental sealants, which helps to protect their teeth from getting cavities later. So all kids will leave having gotten their teeth cleaned, a fluoride treatment, some instructions, and many would have preventive sealants done as well.
And this is not done by first or second year students. This is done by third and fourth year students.
Yes.
And what kind of impact does this have for those students, for the students that are doing it, and also for the students who get the services?
Yes, it is reciprocal. So our students, of course, they get an opportunity to see this population of students,
right,
and to work on young people. But what they talk most about is just their personal interaction. So many of the students receiving the care, they're looking up at someone who is not much older than them,
right,
and they start to think about what the possibilities for their lives are. So oftentimes students leave saying, I think I may want to be a dentist or a dental hygienist.
Right.
So they just get some exposure. They realize that that young people do this, that not all dentists look like me. Not all dentists are older. And
they have to start off somewhere.
Yes,
right?
yes. But just that interaction with both the middle or high school student and the dental student. So they in a short period of time build a rapport. They have a good time. We have students who dress up like the Tooth Fairy. There's photo opportunities.
Wonderful.
We try to make it as fun as possible.
And I also understand that you need volunteers as well. And so how can people sign up if they want to help?
So we're all taken care of for tomorrow, because the event is on tomorrow.
Okay.
But in the future, if people are interested in helping, if they would just reach out to the College of Dentistry and talk to me, because we do this event every year,
right,
and we have a good number of our first and second year dental students, as well as dental hygiene students. We have third and fourth year dental hygiene students who will also be delivering services, but other students will be assisting. So generally, we have probably about 200 people who are volunteering for this event.
That's wonderful. And a mission for the College of Dentistry is to reduce barriers to oral health care. What other projects are you working on to do that?
So one of the big things that the community may not be aware of is that the College of Dentistry is open to the public. So anyone in the community who is interested in receiving dental care can have that care done at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center in the College of Dentistry. So the fees are generally less than private practice, but what you save in money, you spend in time. So you will spend more time because the students are being graded and assessed with every step. So the services that you receive are second to none.
I was gonna say they may be more thorough.
They are second to none. So you receive a great service. So people who have more time on their hands than money, this is a great fit for those individuals.
Wonderful. And as you mentioned, it's tomorrow. So here are the details. Students will get the free dental work from 8 in the morning until noon in the Delta Dental of Tennessee building at 875 Union Avenue. Cassandra Christensen, thank you so much for joining us and sharing information about this program. It's wonderful.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
Thank you for having me.
Glad you could come in.
Yes.
All right. The Salvation Army is celebrating 125 years of service next.